Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will discuss about SQL, which is Structured Query Language. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is used to communicate with the database. And it is useful in storing the data, retrieving the data, manipulating the data, such as updating the data, etc., in the database. There are a few features of SQL that has been explained here. It is very simple and easy to learn, and it is portable across systems, so you can use SQL across the systems. And it has a high performance and it provides data security. And it is the efficient way to manage the database. There are a few types of SQL queries or commands that are used in the databases. First one is data definition language, then data manipulation language, data control language, transaction control language, and data query language. Data definition language, DDL. If you want to create a table or if you want to drop a table, if there is no table you are creating, it is also a DDL command, create command. And if there is a table, you want to drop it, it is also a DDL command. And there is a table, you want to add a column or alter anything, it is alter command. It is also a DDL type of SQL command. Then if you have a table and you have data inside it, but you don't want to delete the table, you just want to remove the data and keep the structure of the table as it is. In that case, we call it as truncate. So there is a difference here between the drop and truncate. Drop will remove the data as well as it will remove the structure, whereas truncate will only remove the data, delete the data, it will not delete the structure of the table. These are the four types of DDL commands. Then the second one, DML. DML is data manipulation language. Suppose you already have a table structure and you want to insert some data inside it, or update the data or delete the data. These three things comes under the data manipulation language. Then comes the data control language. This is kind of data governance commands. For example, there is a user and you want to give the access to one schema or table to that particular user, you will grant the access. It is called grant. And suppose there is a user which already have the access and you want to revoke them, you call it revoke. So these are the two types of the DCL, which is data control language. Then comes the TCL, which is transaction control language. There are three types majorly: commit, rollback, and save point. So commit, you have added some data, you don't want to lose it, you have to commit it. And then rollback, you have already committed some data, you already inserted some data, and you don't want that data, you want to roll back to the previous image, so you will roll back. Finally, there comes the DQL, data query language. It is very simple. Select query, like you have some hundreds of tables and hundreds of records in every table. You want to know what is there in that table. You can just run the select command, which we call it as data query language. And there is one more concept called joins. Joins are used to combine the rows from multiple tables. Suppose you want to select the data from multiple tables, the rows from the multiple tables of the database, you can use the SQL joins. There are four types: inner join, left join, right join, and outer join, or full join. So inner join will simply compares the data from table A with table B. Whichever matches, it will give only the matched records. Then comes the left join. Left join will give the records from all the records of the table A and only the matching records of B with A. Then comes the right join. It will give all the records from the table B, but only the matched records from table A. And there comes the outer join or full join, which will give the records from both the tables. Finally, SQL is the backbone of database management system. It is essential for developers, analysts, and data administrators to access and control the data. Hope you liked the video and hope you understood the concept. If you have any queries, please do let us know in the comment section. Please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions and hit the like button if you like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.